How to send money online with Citizens Bank of Edmond. If you'd like to send money online with Citizens Bank of Edmond, you will need to use these methods. So open up their website, which is mycitizens.bank, or you can head over to their application as well. You can go to their mobile banking platform, which will include features for fund transfer or bill payments. So basically, log in into your account first, and then once you are logged in, once you are enrolled, you can find the Payments and Transfer tab. So go ahead and find it up, a fund transfer section within the platform. Once that is done, you can select the type of transfer you want to make. For example, transfer to another Citizens Bank account or transfer to an external bank account, etc. So you can just go ahead and do so. If you're sending it to a new external account, you may need to add the recipient's details such as payee or third party account. After you do so, you can basically enter up the necessary details. So provide the necessary information for the transfer, such as the account, the recipient's account details, or any other required information. Once that is done, you can review the details and confirm the transaction, and you may need to provide a security code or PIN to authorize the transfer. So you can just go ahead and do so, and then you should receive a confirmation of the successful transfer, and that way you can send money with Citizens Bank of Edmond. So there are Citizens Remit, interbank transfer, QR code payments, tap to pay on iPhone, those kind of services available. So you can look out for that option in order to send money online with Citizens Bank of Edmond very easily. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.